Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today be right along with me as I drive in the Utah Valley area. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I would encourage you to check out some of the other videos from this trip or the road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate if you support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins as we turn south onto I-15 in Orem, Utah. After traveling on I-15 through Provo, we'll exit the interstate onto US 6 and head eastbound through Spanish Fork until US 6 joins 89 southbound, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 7th day of my adventure to the West Coast and back, which has featured a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, from interstates I-5, I-10, and I-40 to just name a few. The last remaining days of this trip will also feature upcoming videos from Canyonlands National Park and also beautiful dashcam video from I-70 as it travels from Green River to St. Louis, so please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving south on I-15 in the beautiful Utah Valley area. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue on US 6 to Page, Utah, so make sure to subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.